Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can disable ad blocker in Chrome Android. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Chrome app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be sent to this page here. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside Settings, scroll down a little bit and access Site Settings located under the Advanced tab. Again, scroll down towards the bottom and under the Content tab, you will find a feature called Intrusive Ads. Simply tap on it and you can see that the ads are being blocked. Right now, what you need to do is just toggle it on and the ad blocker will be disabled. So that's basically how you can disable ad blocker in Chrome Android. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.